It's October 13, 2021. This one here I got a call from a lady. I think I worked for her before last year or something. Problem with the hot water tank or leak valve. That seems to be dripping. We'll go by there and see if we can help out this damsel in distress. Another damsel in distress, Miss Molly. Another damsel in distress, Miss Molly. Another damsel in distress, Miss Molly.
Turn left on Tucker Road.
We'll try to get you some shots when I get there. Alright, what do I got? I got two kind of... I got that one, and I got a long one. Those are 4-inch. They have the ones that got the 8-inch. These are 4. Probably going to be this one. She's definitely dripping. Not a lot of water coming out. Should be able to do it on the fly. I'm not sure. It might be that long one. Wow. Wow. Need some lube, Mama. Need some lube. Is this a short one? I'm not even sure. I'm thinking so. No, it's one of them long ones I need. It's going to have to be this long one. 150 psi, 210 on the temperature. It's a T&P. Alright, so I got the one prepped Teflon and pipe dope. To get some more of these. This one's going to be out a little bit more now. Which is fine. Easier on a bucket, right? Yeah, maybe I'll go around again. What do you think? Maybe one more time? Tight now. How you doing? It's been dripping for a while. Just put the tag there, so with the date. So if we have any issues, I know, you know, if it's within a year. And I had to put a long one in there because the other one was going to be too short. But that's it. So you want to leave your bucket there?
Yeah, I'll just leave it.
All right. I'd get one of them water sensor alarms and put it between.
Amazon must sell them.
Yeah,
too,
put it
right?
between the two boilers and the water heater, and if something starts leaking, it'll start going out, start screaming. Then you
The
say,
boiler would leak water too?
yeah, maybe. I've got another bucket over here. It's empty, but
Yeah, I keep buckets just in case. Oh, you put that tag there last time you were here.
yeah, I think I could change that controller. Didn't we change the controller?
Oh, I never even
Spark
noticed
controller.
that tag.
Yeah, I like to leave tags so I know what the
That's
date
good.
is and what I did. You know.
Yeah, and you're very thorough, like I said. You know, you don't happen to know a good handyman, do you?
Not offhand.
Hey, L.A. Oh, this guy is something. Ellington?
At least he's friendly.
Yeah, he's very friendly.
Not trying to bite me.
No, he doesn't bite. He loves